Hey everybody, it's me, Eugene Tay, back with Jordan again, giving you the second part to our video series, which is the VET to VTHO conversion. And to show you guys, can we actually make money? So we did the experiment about a month ago, and today we're going to update you on the outcome. Let's take a look at this short video. I used all the VET I had, or VTHO I had, to convert to Ethereum. It says success. However, when I go and...
That was why.
Why?
Because it was in a queue. See?
Yeah, but still, it was too little for me to even extract it from, to even extract it as Ethereum that I can cash out.
Understand.
Yeah. So if you look at the other video, and I don't have enough Ethereum anymore, and enough VTHO to change to Ethereum.
Oh, okay.
Because I went in with only $100, and it was really too little to produce any VTHO that would be worth exchanging on a daily basis, like what you did.
Yeah, but so on my side, I actually ran an experiment on my own as well.
Okay,
so
let's hear it.
I did it with about 100,000 VET, which is about $1,000. Basically, it's a very simple spreadsheet. Everything is all formulated. Based on 100,000 VET, right, you'll be getting about 43 VTHOs a day. At that point of time, on 2nd August, the day that we started the video, right, that could have bought 43 VTHO could have bought you 57 VET, which is a pretty good jump, like 0.5% of your whole holdings.
Okay.
Almost
so this is you doing this on a daily basis.
Yeah.
Because you had enough VTHO.
The volume was high.
The volume was high enough for you to sell your VTHO for VET, and that makes sense.
Yeah. I think the mistake we made with you was that
going in $100 too cheapo. Okay. So, anything else you want to point out from this?
Yeah. So. What happened was, in the initial phase, where it was the first 2 weeks of August, the price was very good. You see, as you can see, the numbers were double digits, in the 20s, in the 50s range.
Yes.
But as VTHO got opened up to more markets, people started doing airdrops of VTHO. Binance did it. Then the price of VTHO slumped. So that was when converting it wasn't very. It won't be as cost effective.
But your VTHO still sticks throughout, right? And the amount of VTHO generated.
Yes.
The amount of VTHO increases because you had more VET.
Yes. So think of it as a compounding effect. You see, today I have $1, and then if I get 1% a day, I'm gonna have $1.01.
But how do you get with the amount of VET bought?
Okay, so it's based on the price.
The amount of VTHO that you can use to buy your VET.
Yes, that's right.
And that number decreased to, oh my goodness, it's a huge drop in just 1 month, from 57 to...
The peak was about 75. That was a very good day. Yeah.
That was about the time we started filming.
Yeah, correct.
Then
since it was the commercial period was like one VTHO almost to that. I'm also happy about it.
Yeah, okay, cool. So now, looking at your chart, looking at my videos, this is when I sold my VTHO on day 2, which I was very happy about it. And then I realized you have that pairing. And so I just converted VTHO to VET directly.
Nice.
But the next time I went in again,
the pairing was gone, right?
The pairing was gone.
Oh yeah, I was quite sad about it.
Yeah. This is just, I think, a couple of days back. Hey, look, I got less money than I started with at 52 USD. Right? I started with about 75 USD. Now at 52 USD.
Correct. Yeah, I did notice that. So a lot.
And you had an explanation for this?
Yes, I do have an explanation. So when we deal with the crypto, you see, everybody has a different goal. Some people, they want more fiat. Some people want more Bitcoin. Yeah. So in this case, what I'm aiming to have is to have more VET or more Satoshis in that sense. Technically, if I think I calculated you're getting about 1%, almost 1% a month, just by doing this. Yeah. You are increasing your holding of Bitcoin by 1% every single month, and it's going to be like 12% a year. Yeah. So it does make sense if you're looking at increasing your Satoshi's holding, but I think you should only look at your USD value if you are looking to cash out or converting it to fiat.
Because the time we got into BTC when we first bought this was, BTC was 7,005.
Yeah, but now BTC
is 6,005. So what I lost was BTC value. I didn't really lose at all using this experiment by the VET and VTHO.
Correct.
In fact, I earned too little for it to, it's just negligible. But the point is, I didn't lose money on VET and VTHO. The experiment was still a success because it proved one thing. You can make money with this VET and VTHO.
You can make Bitcoin.
Proof of stake. The only difference is that I went in at $100, and the problem with that is there is a minimum amount of
investment
you need to have for the amount of coins in your portfolio to actually make sense. Because when you want to withdraw your Ethereum or you want to withdraw your VET to VTHO to VET, you have a minimum sum. Otherwise, you are just stuck in whatever currency that you, what we call the dust. You know, you have too little Ethereum in your portfolio and you can't take it out. So, like you did $1,000.
Yeah.
And clearly from the charts, we can see that you actually have made money.
I made more VET.
You made more VET.
Yeah.
And you technically more VET equals more money, right?
Yeah, in a sense.
Did VET price go up since the time you bought?
It spiked though. It spiked. I sold some.
Okay.
I sold some and then I bought back again.
Let's look at the amount, the price of VET to it. Right. So at 2nd August is 0.00053, and then
so there was a spike towards the end of the.
Okay, not because it's back to Ethereum, right?
Yeah.
Nothing big.
When Ethereum went down,
everything went down. Okay. So what's your conclusion of this experiment?
I think everybody should try, but you know, there is a minimal sum to go.
Okay. So guys, our conclusion for this video is that if you're going to go in on proof of stake, do not go in with too little, because then you'll be like me and the whole experiment will give you a rather negative afterthought, like, hey shit, this doesn't work. But if you go in with at least $1,000 and having that 1% of $1,000, and you know, hey, $10, still something compared to
one star or 2 star actually in a sense.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That's all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed this experiment on VET to VTHO proof of stake, and I'll see you guys next week. If you have any specific ideas you want us to test out, please drop us in the comment field below. Right. My name is Eugene.
My name is Jordan.
Signing out.
Bye bye.